In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix GOG error code E15 using a simple step-by-step method inside GOG Galaxy. If your game is stuck, showing an install issue, or not removing properly from the installed list, this quick fix may help get everything working again. This is a very common kind of launch or installation problem, and the good news is that you can often solve it without reinstalling everything from scratch. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's jump right in. First, open GOG Galaxy on your computer and go to the game that is causing the problem. You want to make sure you are selecting the exact title that is showing the error code E15 or behaving incorrectly. Once you've found the game, look for the Customize button. Click that, and from the menu, choose Manage Installation. After that, click Show Folder. This will open the game's installation directory on your PC, which is where the files we need will be located. Now that the folder is open, look through the files and find one called unis002.exe. This file is important because it is often linked to the game's installer or uninstall process. Once you find it, try running it. In some cases, simply launching this file can help trigger the correct process and clear up the problem that's causing the error. If it opens successfully, follow any on-screen prompts that appear and let it complete whatever action it is meant to do. If you are unable to find unis002.exe or if you're not able to proceed with it for any reason, that's okay. Just stop there and let us know what happened, because different versions of the game may behave a little differently. But if you were able to run it, the next step is to restart GOG Galaxy completely. Close the app fully, then open it again and go back to your library. After restarting GOG Galaxy, check whether the game has been removed from the installed list. In many cases, that's the sign that the issue has been resolved. If the game no longer appears as installed, or if the error code E15 is gone, then the fix worked. If it is still there, you may need to repeat the steps carefully or continue troubleshooting based on what happened when you tried to run the file. This is a quick but effective method for fixing GOG error code E15, especially when the launcher gets confused about a game's installation status. Again, the key steps are opening the game's folder, locating unis002.exe, running it if possible, and then restarting GOG Galaxy to see if the installed list updates correctly. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy software fixes, and I'll see you in the next video.